In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use TLab AI Language Translate Shopify app. To begin, go to your Shopify admin. This is the main control panel for your store, where you manage apps, products, settings, and other important store features. Once you are inside the admin area, look for the TLab app in your Shopify dashboard and open it. If you already have the app installed, you should be able to access it directly from your Apps section. Opening the app will take you to its main workspace, where you can manage translation settings for your store. After the app opens, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu. This menu contains the main sections of the app and helps you navigate different translation tools and settings. In the sidebar, click on Languages. This section is where you can view the languages currently active in your store and add new ones when needed. It is the place you will use anytime you want to expand your store for customers who speak different languages. Once you are on the Languages page, find and click the Add Language button. This option allows you to start adding another language to your store so visitors can browse your content in a different language. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down contains the available language options that you can choose from. Now select your target language from the drop-down menu. Your target language is simply the language you want to make available on your Shopify store. Take a moment to choose carefully so you add the correct one for your audience. After selecting the language will be added to the app, and you can continue managing your store translations from there. This is a simple but important setup step if you want to create a better shopping experience for international customers and make your store more accessible to a wider audience. If you are setting up multiple languages, you can repeat the same process again later by returning to the Languages section and adding another option from the drop-down. The layout is straightforward, so once you do it once, the process becomes very easy to follow. That covers everything you need to know.